Imagine taking just $1,000 and investing it in Tesla 10 years ago. What do you think it would be worth today? Would it have made you rich? Or would you just be another person wondering what they missed? Stick around, because the answer is going to absolutely blow your mind. Back in 2013, Tesla was really just a dream in motion. The stock was trading around $6 a share. It was risky, it was controversial, and its future was completely uncertain. A lot of people called it overvalued, a bubble waiting to pop. But a few bold investors saw the potential in Elon Musk's vision. They saw something others didn't. Now, fast forward to today, and the story of what happened to that $1,000 investment is almost unbelievable. It's the kind of financial fairy tale people dream about. So, let's break it down. If you'd put $1,000 into Tesla back in 2013, you would have been able to buy roughly 166 shares. Seems like a decent amount, right? Well, after all the stock splits that happened over the years, that same initial investment, that $1,000, would now be worth over $200,000. Yes, you heard that right. $200,000 from one. Tesla's growth wasn't a smooth, straight line up. It surged after major milestones, like the launch of the Model S, the rollout of the Model 3, and those crucial quarters when it finally started turning a profit. It was a wild ride, but for those who held on, it was a profitable one. But hey, Tesla wasn't the only story in town. How does it stack up against other tech giants? Let's compare. A $1,000 investment in Apple back then would be worth around $5,000 today. Pretty good. And Amazon, that same $1,000 would have grown to about $15,000. Impressive, for sure, but Tesla's return absolutely towers over these traditional tech giants. It's a powerful demonstration of what can happen with high growth, high-risk bets when they actually pay off. It redefines what's possible in the market. You see, investing isn't just about crunching numbers and reading charts, it's about spotting trends early and being willing to take calculated risks. The Tesla story teaches us that sometimes the bold move, the one everyone else is scared to make, can pay off massively, but it also comes with extreme volatility. So many investors get scared and panic sell during the dips, but the ones who held on, the ones who believed in the long-term vision, are the ones who saw those truly life-changing returns. Just think about it for a second. $1,000 might not seem like a lot of money. It's a vacation, a new laptop, a few months of fancy coffee. But consistently investing even small amounts like that in high-growth stocks like Tesla, Apple, or Amazon over the last decade could have turned into six-figure gains. That's the incredible magic of long-term investing and the power of compounding growth working in your favor. It's how small acorns grow into giant oak trees. Now, let's get real for a moment. Not every stock is going to be the next Tesla. Far from it. High returns always come with high risk. Prices fluctuate wildly, companies can and do fail, and your timing really matters. Hindsight is always 20/20. But the key takeaway here is this: doing your research early, having the patience to ride out the storms, and maintaining a clear vision for the future can create those outsized returns, the kind that can transform ordinary savings into truly extraordinary wealth. So, how can you apply this lesson today? You don't need to go all in trying to pick the next Tesla right out of the gate. That's like trying to catch lightning in a bottle. The smart move is to start small, diversify your investments across a mix of growth stocks and stable index funds, and most importantly, invest consistently. Even $50 or $100 a month can snowball into something significant over a decade. The principle is exactly the same: time plus patience plus smart risk equals wealth creation. So, if you had invested that $1,000 10 years ago, the story could have been completely life-changing. But the real lesson isn't about looking back with regret. It's about looking forward. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because it will never come. The best time to start investing was yesterday, but the second best time is right now. Even with small amounts. I'd love to know what you think. Comment below. Which stock do you believe has the potential to be the next Tesla? And if you enjoyed this story, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more investing stories and insights. Thanks for watching.